Hello, myself Satyakrishna. As part of Microsoft Engage program, I have developed a student welfare program where it can be used in any university. It has 4 different kinds of users: student, faculty, librarian and admin. Admin doesn't have the registration process, and let us discuss about the admin features. Admin can able to add the code. Suppose if we are adding a course like data mining and it will be taught for some 6 people and the faculty was Aditya, let us submit. After submission, if you see the courses available, the data mining courses will be taught by the Aditya. And now let us log into the Aditya. If you see, Aditya was teaching AI operating systems and data mining. Aditya can able to enroll any number of students. Suppose in the data mining, let us add the Sindhuja. Sindhuja was added successfully. Let us log into the Sindhuja account. In the courses section, Sindhuja can able to see the data mining course which was taught by the Aditya. Faculty can able to see the enrolled students in his subjects. He can able to download the statistics, and faculty can able to give the grades to the students. Suppose let us give the grades of the data mining for the student of Sindhuja, and she was awarded for the 50 marks. After updating, we can able to see the grades at the data mining section. Sindhuja got 50, and faculty can able to give the attendance of the students. For the Sindhuja, let us she attended 4 classes till now. Now after visiting the Sindhuja profile, there will be 4, and faculty can able to make the announcement like today. After making the announcement, the students can able to see the announcements which was appeared by here. Today I am not taking the class which was told by the. He can able to delete it whenever he wants. After refreshing, we can't able to see the profile which was said by the Aditya. This was the features of the faculty. Let us see about the features of the students. We can able to see the courses which was taken by the student, and we can able to request a book for the librarian. Suppose we are having a librarian, and we can able to see any book requests which are pending, no pending, and we are taking the book. We can able to see the book request. If you don't want to further proceeding, we can able to delete the book request. We have deleted the book request. There was a no request which was made. Let us make it again. We can able to ask the services to the academics like I want. On successful placing the request, admin can able to see the request made by the student, and he can able to accept it or reject it. After successful accepting or rejecting, we can also save all the requests got by the students. And students, as we discussed earlier, students announcements will be there. Now let us discuss about the librarian. Librarian can able to add a book. Let us add some random book. Now let us choose a random photo. After successful adding of the book, the students can able to see the books which are there. Here we can able to see the random book by the random author, and we can able to request for a book, and we can able to keep a deadline for the book. After placing the deadline, the librarian account can able to act and see the book requests which are placed by the different students. He can able to accept the request. Upon accepting the request, the students can able to take the book in an offline scenario purpose. Here we are having a table of all the requesters of the book. We can able to send a mail to the user that please submit the book, and librarian can able to send an announcements to the students. After upon sending the announcements, then students can able to view the announcement which was made by the library. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity.